Okay, this is just kind of a first test of the sound system. I like it. I got to make all these wires disappear and go underneath, and I probably won't even put the tops on the crates because I'm going to put the canvas top on anyway, so you're not going to be able to see it. Got the volume turned up a little bit. This one isn't like the DOS Micro. This one, the sound comes out as soon as you turn on the power. So that's going to be the new sound system. I don't know, I like it. I think it'll be alright. That was mid-volume. It's got plenty of volume. I think even once I get it outside, it's going to be plenty loud enough. So there's progress. See you next time.